If you beat a lie, just score the win, alright? Because then you get... Huh?
You have to read all this crap?
Yeah. No, you don't have to. Or you can. It's the instructions to do it. Where's my shoes? About one. Hey, did you see my smoothie?
Mm-mm.
Part 1 is over.
Oh, fuck, where's Castro? Hey, don't finish it yet.
Why not? It's gonna scare me. Huh. Look at her. It is gonna scare me.
No, it's not.
Really.
Hold
It's
on.
not a relationship. Say it.
It's not a relationship.
Is it gonna be? It's gonna fill up and give me my score?
Oh, yeah. I got a 70%. Because I can't tell.
Now you're lying. He said you got 80.
Mm-mm. It's 7 out of 8. I don't know how much that is.
No! Shit! Oh my god! Oh